Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need device owner access to prevent the lock screen from timing out, so authenticate now. Open Settings and go straight to Display or Lock Screen. Different manufacturers place timeout under either. Tap into Screen Timeout or Sleep and set it to Never or the maximum value. You're doing this now because changing timeout at the source stops the system from auto-locking. Once done, make sure to check power and battery options next so the display behavior remains consistent when charging or on battery. Next, adjust power and lock behavior to match your new timeout. Go to Power or Battery Settings and exempt the display from aggressive battery saver rules, otherwise the screen may still turn off. Disable automatic lock or require password on wake if you want the screen to stay usable, but keep security in mind. For laptops, set both on battery and plugged in to Never if you truly need persistent display. Once these are aligned, test by leaving the device idle for several minutes to confirm it stays on. Finalize by rebooting so system policies refresh. If the lock screen still turns off, inspect whether an MDM, corporate policy, or a security app enforces timeout. You'll need admin removal or IT exemption. As a last resort, install a reputable screen keep utility that simulates user activity. Use it cautiously because it increases wear and battery drain. If problems persist, record the exact behavior and timestamps so you can present clear evidence to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.